Hey, welcome back to the channel. Name's Scott. I'm the creator of RC Terminator. Here where we try to do budget builds. Because the hobby can be expensive. We just try to do it a little less expensive. I guess that's a good words for you. And we don't want to spend a whole bunch of money doing what we do. So this is the part 2 of trailer build. Hopefully do you guys right. And I just want to kind of let you know, the reason why I'm doing this channel, kind of a little breakdown so you guys have an understanding. I want to sit here and do a hobby store. I'm trying to promote myself on YouTube, trying to do this, trying to do that, and I'd like to get a piece of property that's 60, 70 acres and be able to do fly field, drones, helicopters, the big fifth scale trucks like my Losi here, a bunch of the 10th scale stuff. I want to do on-road, off-road, I want to do a drift track. I want to do a little bit of everything for people. So do me a favor, help me out, hit that subscribe button. Like my videos. If you like them, give me the thumbs up. Support my channel so we can make this happen for everybody. And I'm going to continue to try to make good content for you guys and make you guys happy. And today we're going to finish up, get another step into the budget trailer build. For what I'm building it for would be in a different video. And if you haven't seen the first one, the first build video on this, I'm going to put that right up at the top. Go ahead and click on it. I appreciate it. Thanks. Hey, welcome back. And on this part, we're going to go ahead and get the rest of the tongue area. This section buttoned up. As you see, the framing's already done. And this one's actually done with aluminum pop rivets. And not even going to weld it. But this one's actually done 10 inches across by 21 inches long. It's plenty length. I actually measured this off with a B4, so I wanted to have plenty of room to do this. But all I did was go out and pick up 1/8 inch pop rivets, aluminum pop rivets, and running a 1/8 drill bit. And we're just going to go ahead and just drill and pop rivet these things together. And there's no sense of welding, TIG welding or anything, because with the thicknesses of this aluminum, it's just going to burn it through. As soon as you put electricity to it and even touch it, it's just going to blow a hole right in it. And not like we're carrying tons and tons of weight on this thing. I mean, it's going to have probably, what, 2-3 pounds, if that. I think it's going to be plenty thick enough. But we're going to get this thing drilled out here real quick. Slow and steady on the drill. You ain't even got to go fast with it. And as you see, I'm not even putting a lot of pressure onto it. I'm letting the drill bit do the job instead of me working. That's what we buy drill bits for, so it can do the work. There. Last 2 holes are drilled. As you can see, right here and right here, that's actually going to hold this whole section in where it needs to be. And you see it kind of looks a little funny here, but I bought a C-channel that's going to run right across, just like a regular trailer would look like. That when you go out and buy a regular trailer. We're going to do a tandem axle. It's going to be a dual axle. And actually going to build fender fender flares for it as well. And that's going to be in another video when I do the axles and suspension and wheels and stuff like that. You guys will get a kick out of the wheels I'm going to use. Told you, it's all budget build. Yeah, put in the comment section what you guys think I'm going to put for wheels. You guys might like it. And maybe you guys can guess what it is. I doubt it, but we'll see. Keep in mind, budget. So, it's not going to cost anything. And suspension, I'm doing an actual leaf spring suspension on it, kind of like a regular trailer would be. It's kind of neat. You guys will like that idea too. Actually, I can kind of explain to you. You know, you got your push mowers and stuff, your pull start push mowers. I'm taking the recoil spring out of it. Since it's spring steel, it's going to work just what I want it to do. It's going to move, bounce, operate just like a regular leaf spring would, and return back to where I need it at. And you guys think this is not sturdy? This thing, it has hardly no twist to it. Once I get everything else locked on, get the decking put on, this thing's going to be solid. This thing ain't even going to want to move. And I think it's pretty cool. You know, I mean, they make trailers out there that you can go buy, but that's not the point. I mean, RCing, you want to have fun and, you know, enjoy what you do. You know, this is a hobby that people like, and I want to keep it that way. I want to keep it budget friendly. And I don't want people to be spending a bunch of money, so I like showing people what they can do to save a few dollars. I mean, I'm going to break down what I got invested into it as of right now. Got to open that hole up a little bit. This pop rivet's a little tight. Plus, I got the ones with the paint on it. I probably shouldn't have got that one. As you can see what it's doing, it's pushing all the paint off. But that's okay. We don't need paint where we're going. Still need to be opened up just a hair bit more. But yeah, I mean that's my whole game plan here with my channel. I want to make it a good fun environment for people to go out, have fun. Want to do rock crawler course. You know, I want to do a bunch of stuff for people. And that's the whole point of my channel. You know, and I'd love it for people to come out and just enjoy it. I mean, have fun. That's what the whole point of RCing is to have fun. And now, all that's attached. Everything's pop ribbed. The whole framing's done. And I want to kind of give you guys a little look-see of what my whole plans are now. Check this out. You ready for this? Now you kind of get the idea of the trailer. Look at that. That's something that you don't see every day. Let me get you down there so you guys can see it. What do you guys think of that? Now that is a trailer. That takes care of the decking, the whole frame, tongue section. I'm putting a C-channel right here that's actually going to come off just a little bit further, just kind of like a normal trailer would look like. Going to do ramps. Actually going to run a C-channel here so the ramps have somewhere to lock in at. I'm going to flip this bad boy over. This hole underneath here, I'm actually going to make where my ramps slide in and lock in, so we're not losing our ramps and they hide away. Gives a nice clean look. But as you see, I've already got pretty much all the bracing done and everything. Once I put my ramp section in there, it's going to stiffen it up real good. And being 10 inches across, 10 inches across this way, I'm doing 3-inch ramps. And so that's 6 inches, so it takes just over half the width of the trailer, but I'm putting a full slide, full C channel all the way across. So you can move the ramps in, out, so it's open for anything we want to run in this thing. So that's the main goal plan here. And so far so good. It's working out pretty good. And I don't know. I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of what I'm spending right now on this thing, where I'm at with it, and all that. So what do you guys think of the progress so far? I mean, it's definitely come a long ways. And right now, typical breakdown. I bought two 8-foot pieces of quarter by quarter of angle iron aluminum. That's where I'm at with that material so far. I bought 1 stick of aluminum C-channel. That's going to take care of the back piece, the tongue, stuff like that. And the other piece is going to be made for the ramps, the slide ends, and I still got to build the hitch off the truck, so some of that aluminum is going to be used for that as well. And let's see, diamond plate, one piece of the diamond plate. Now I'm sitting right now with the pop rivets, all the aluminum and stuff like that. I mean, keep in mind, I kind of blew the budget when I bought the diamond plate. Diamond plate's $20 by itself. Ouch. Probably shouldn't have spent that much money on it, but I did. You're looking at, I think I'm $55 right now, all done. That should be all the material I need, because I've already got the axle, everything else. My tires are going to be donated to me from my good friend and boss. He's got a pile of parts, so he's going to take care of me on that. We're working on the suspension section now, and we're working on the axle section now. So we'll have all that stuff taken care of. But I wanted to get out here and get some more of this project done for you guys. And now, in the description or in the comment section, do me a favor. If you guys know what wheels I'm using, see if you guys can take a guess. And if you're right, I'll let you know. I mean, you guys will get a kick out of it. It's not something that's used every day. I'll give you that much of a hint. You know, people don't use them for trailers. I'll say that much. It's RC related, but people don't use them for trailers. That might help you out a little bit. I know a couple of you guys might know what it is. I haven't told anybody. But do me a favor. You guys like this video? Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that bell button so you can be notified when I put new videos up, because this one's going to be probably 2 more videos on this trailer build. I mean, I want to do video on the ramps. I want to get, you know, the axle stuff done. I'm going to get the axle stuff done before I get the ramps done, because I need to know where I can put the slide ends for the ramps. So that's the next stage. And I don't want to put the decking on yet until I get everything else done, so I have access to do what I need to do. But do me a favor, comment up, let me know, help me out. You guys know what I'm all about now. You guys know what my channel is all about and what I want to do. I want to be able to help you guys. And I'm definitely going to keep up the budget stuff for you guys. I think you guys enjoy it. I've had a lot of good feedback from you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you everybody for the subscribers. Thank you everybody for everything. Just let me catch you on the next time. I'm just rambling on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and end it here. You guys have a good one. Be safe. And go out and have some fun. You know, bash your cars up. Break them. Fix them. That's what they're here for. Because, you know, if you ain't breaking them, you ain't having fun. You know the old saying. Have a good one, guys. Thank you. God bless you.